Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. I have here a back noise guys, but there is nothing I can do about it, but I decided to create this video anyway. And in this video we will be talking about one microcap cryptocurrency pick which I announced on my Patreon that I'm investing in this crypto. And since I announced this cryptocurrency, some of you already contacted me and asked me to create my review on this cryptocurrency. So here you go guys, here is the video, and today we will be talking about Kicktoken. They announced this cryptocurrency when it was about 0.0008. Now it has gone up already, and I believe that this is still a good investment. And I will tell you why I think that this is a good investment. In my opinion, I already did a full research on this project myself before investing. However guys, as always, remember, my videos are not a financial advice here on Crypto Bull channel. I'm just showcasing you what I am doing in crypto space. And this project or none other projects on my Crypto Bull channel are sponsored. If the project will be sponsored, I will let you know at the beginning of the video that this or that project review is being sponsored. So guys, this is my pure investment which I have invested in myself. And yes guys, I bought 100,000 of these cryptocurrencies because I think that this cryptocurrency could bring a huge returns. But firstly, before I jump into reviewing this cryptocurrency, talking about this tokenomics, I would like to talk about BitBoy's video. As you can see here, Kicktoken scam. Crypto altcoin explodes, but it's not legit. When BitBoy created this video, it was back in 2020 when this cryptocurrency were sending, or where this project were sending out like a lots of money, a lots of tokens, like an airdrop to different wallets. Like they were sending about 888,000 to each wallet. I believe that this was not a scam. This was their type of strategy, how they wanted to attract attention of people to their project. And that token which was sent out at that time, that token already is not working. That token is already old Kick token, and now it is not valid guys. And BitBoy was talking about this in this scam warning video. And at that time when BitBoy was reviewing this project, there was not even a project launched yet. There were no exchange, there was nothing really about this project launched. And now this project is launched. They have real working like trading platform where they are adding like cryptocurrencies, where you can buy cryptocurrencies by using your credit or debit card, which only tells you one thing, that they are legit and they are actually a working company. If we go to their website, you can see that KickX, fully licensed next gen crypto exchange guys. Yes, this is fully licensed, and this cryptocurrency project is not hiding their teams. There is team members, and this is fully licensed cryptocurrency exchange. Here you can exchange one cryptocurrency to another, so this is rather big. But currently, if you look at the price, it is very small. It has a maximum supply 1.5 billion. It used to be 1.5 billion, but the thing about this cryptocurrency is that whenever you are buying this cryptocurrency, whenever you are selling this cryptocurrency, whenever you are transferring this Kick token is actually burning part of it. This means that this is deflationary guys. From each transaction which is happening with Kick token, it is actually burning it. If we go to Explorer, I actually researched this on Explorer. If we go into Etherscan, because this is ERC20 token, and if we go here in Kick token, here you can see that it already has 6,700 hodlers, and their hodler amount is going up guys, and it has 1.4 billion tokens in circulation, and each transaction whenever it is happening, it is burning tokens, and it is automatically by contract, or contract is throwing these tokens in black holes, so those tokens are absolutely destroyed. If we follow transactions here, for example, as you can see here was transaction Uniswap, Sushi Swap, that was internal transaction, but here you can see black hole. This means that this transaction, as you can see there, one person was buying 96,850 tokens from Uniswap, and straight after this transaction there were 2.5 thousand of these tokens were thrown into the black hole. And this, if you will follow guys, then you will see that this is happening pretty much with all transactions. As you can see here, someone was sending to Bitmart these tokens, and after the sending, as you see in black hole, were destroyed 12,416 tokens. So this this is hugely deflationary cryptocurrency, and to my mind, if you are going to invest in this Kick token, guys, keep it for long term, because each transaction and each people who will be buying or selling this cryptocurrency or transferring it, they will be actually burning, and this is written in their contract. Whenever the contract is getting executed, whenever transaction is happening, part of these tokens, whatever is involved in that particular transaction, are getting burned. They are getting liquidated for good, guys. This means that this 1.48 billion token amount or supply will be getting smaller and smaller and smaller as this project is growing, as the more people start using it, and I hope that you get the idea. This is one thing why I think that this cryptocurrency will be huge. Another thing, referring back to this video where BitBoy was talking about this project, there were no cryptocurrency exchange, but I myself created account already. There is staking available where you can stake these Kick tokens and other tokens, or also there are other meme coins which you can stake. As you can see here, this is my account, and here are different pairs which you can trade, and you can also buy different cryptocurrencies, as you see, by using Visa card, so for BAT or basic attention token. Bitcoin Cash you can buy by using credit card, or Bitcoin you can buy by using credit card, and here is Ethereum you can buy by using credit card, and Tron and USDT you can also buy by using your credit card. So there is not many pairs yet, because this cryptocurrency exchange is working only less than a year, guys. So this means that this is absolutely new, and they keep adding new tokens. So as guys, you can get more information about company, about team. If we click into the team, you will see that there are team members, and you can go and check them out fully out here, guys. So as there are advisors, and you can read about company if you go into their company website, what it is, where it has been founded, and where it is coming from. Another thing about this project is that they are very active on their social media. Let's say if we go to Twitter, you will see that they are very active on their social media. As you can see here, for example, this post was posted 11 hours ago. As you see, tomorrow Cointology on listing on KickX. So tomorrow they are adding another cryptocurrency ontology on KickX cryptocurrency exchange. And here we scroll lower, then you can see on 25th of October, okay, it's time for another listing. KickX will list ontology. This is pretty much about the same subject. If we scroll lower, you can see on 25th again October, over 12.8 million Kick have been burned. As you see, guys, since July 1st, 12.8 billion out of this 1.5 billion have been burned. This means that if you are investing in this cryptocurrency, its supply is getting smaller and smaller. And another thing about this supply is that all these Kick tokens are out there. They are already in exchanges, they are already available, and everyone who wants, you can buy and sell them. I bought mine by using Uniswap. It is available on Bitmart, it is available on Stacks, this is available on KickX, this is a native cryptocurrency exchange, BitGlobal, it is available through SushiSwap and Uniswap. So you can get it on all these exchanges. And currently, as you see, market cap is micro. This is only 13 million for working project. For project where you can register, which is cryptocurrency exchange, and whereby using your debit or credit card, which you will not find with many new exchanges or with many exchanges in general, guys, because to create a credit card or debit card payment, you need to have a company to attach it to your project, especially if it is a cryptocurrency exchange, guys. So this is definitely not a scam like BitBoy was talking about in this video. However, guys, these were only early stages, and like I mentioned previously, I think that he created this video because he didn't know that this project is going to actually work, and this project is actually going to create a cryptocurrency exchange, and it will be actually working project. But this airdrop which they used, which BitBoy Crypto is talking about in this video, this was just their way how they tried to do a marketing on this project at the time when this all happened. But in my view, guys, this is hugely underrated project with this supply, which is only 1.4 billion, and where price is less than 1 cent. And taking in account, guys, that there people are joining, people are using, people are buying this cryptocurrency, and when more people will be getting into it, because for very small amount of money you can buy huge amount of these Kick tokens, which means that the more people will be getting in future, this means that more Kick tokens will be burned. So as the more people will start using this cryptocurrency exchange, the price will go tremendously, and I believe that this will easily go to 10 cents, maybe even $1, and that's why I invested a small part of my portfolio. However, I bought 100,000 of these tokens because I really believe that there will be future and this could really go up in price, guys. However, as always, remember guys, my videos are not financial advice. I am just seeing here a potential of profit, and that's why I invested in this cryptocurrency exchange. As you can see, if you go here, you can find these funds, you can buy them, you can sell them, you can already trade. If you click into trading, here you can select different pairs for trading. This works just like any other cryptocurrency exchange. Here on this side there is Kick referral. I will not be sharing any referral link because I'm not checking those referral links anyway. And here is Kick Messenger, Kick Wallet, Kick ICOs. Here are different ICOs which are also being launched, and there is Kick Mobile, Kick CPA and Kick Desk, and there's much more information. And if you go into Kick Wallet, you can see what cryptocurrencies you have. And by the way, I already transferred here. I created my account and I transferred just to test out whether this really works. 2.8, as you see, 2,800 Kick tokens, just to test whether this works or it doesn't. I actually transferred it from my MetaMask. And here you can deposit. Obviously you click there and you can copy address, and if you would like withdraw, it works similar way, only you click withdraw, guys. But in general everything works. They are active on their social media. The total supply is not huge, and this is deflationary cryptocurrency. Currently it is very cheap. It matches all my criteria of investing, small amount in these micro cap cryptocurrency projects, and that's why I invested. And this is just what I am doing, guys, and this is just my reasoning why I got into this cryptocurrency. So yes guys, I hope that I answered all your questions, and if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.